So, after 2 attempts, we finally made it to beautiful Benidorm. Here she is. The beautiful white sand, the lovely people, the cheap beer, the cheap food, all the parties at night time, and the home of Sticky Vicky. So, let the fun begin in Benidorm. We're in Benidorm! Woohoo!
We've got so many preconceived ideas. This is the problem. Of
So many what?
Preconceived ideas.
I have.
You have especially. Mark's a complete and utter snob. I told him off earlier for being a snob because we've no idea what it's like. It might be really nice and it might be typically Spanish. I don't think it is. That made Mark laugh.
So far, there's nothing typically Spanish about where we are right now.
Here we are at Playa Levante. I don't know if it's Levante or Levante. But it's beautiful and no traffic, which is lovely. So this is obviously where everybody is. It's really busy here. So here we are at the front. Benidorm. It doesn't look as big now you're here. I think it goes back quite a way. But the beach does look lovely, in fairness. Mark's going to look cross now because Sid's eaten something that he shouldn't. What did he eat?
Some big brown stuff.
Oh God, Sid, you let us down, mate. You let us down. Right, so let's have a little wander. Like I said, it's a lot. I think this is where most people are now, which is nice. And why wouldn't you be, rather than in the city or town?
I thought the beach would be longer than this.
I know, I said it doesn't look that big now we're down here, does it?
In there, or the start, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, well, we'll have a wander anyway. Mark's intrigued by the rock over there, which is called Isla de Benidorm, strangely enough. So there it is. So we are, where are we, babe? I have no idea where we are because it doesn't tell us. Oh, no, I wouldn't have thought we're there.
Almost in front of the rock.
Oh, that's true, yeah, we're 3 then. Castillo de Benidorm. I can't see a Castillo, but... Well, I don't know. We could be Paseo de Levante, I think. We could be number 1. Anyway, we're going to go and have a wander. We're going to get Siddy a drink. We're going to get Nicky and Mark a drink. Maybe something to eat. What do you reckon? Is that a plan?
Like a plan?
That's a plan. We do like a plan. We don't like a plan because we never plan. Mark spotted the fish and chips sign, which actually looks quite busy, so I don't think there's anywhere for us to sit with Sid. It is partial to a fish and chip, that's for sure. I don't know if you just do wow, he says.
It reminds me of Thailand.
Yeah. So you can have chips with curry and gravy. This feels quite alien to us, but
It's a very nice beach.
it's a very nice beach, very clean beach. Nobody's brave in the water. I don't blame them. Okay.
It's got to sit in Benidorm.
Says gutted, there's no wall for him to walk on. He loves a wall. So, and please let us know if we're wrong, which we usually are. We think this is the Strip. Mark loves a strip. He's always going on about he wants to go to the Strip. I don't even know what that is.
Bank on a road.
So we think this is the Strip in Benidorm. Like I said, we're probably wrong because we usually are. But this is what it looks like in the daylight, I guess. Oh, there's a Hummer coming.
Na 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 na.
What's that?
That's a clue. What's ahead?
Oh, nice. God, that man always confuses me. So we've got the Rovers Return, which is a pub in a well-known British soap called Coronation Street. Yeah, so I think this is Mark's famous Benidorm Strip. Look, he's grinning like a Cheshire cat now. Oh my God, it takes such little things to please him. The thing is now, the problem is now he wants to come down here at night. It's between about 2.5 kilometre walk from where we are, which is fine for us, but when we've got poor old Siddy, I'm not sure that Sid's up for, do you reckon Sid's up for the Strip?
I want some of them t-shirts.
Do you know, they're awful, absolutely awful. So we think this, yeah, please, it's Cali Girona, so please tell us if we're wrong, if we're in completely the wrong place, but it's now the snobby Mark is coming out, and I've told him off for that beforehand, that he's not allowed to judge, but I know some people love it, which is absolutely fine, and each to their own, but it is a tad tacky. I'm sure many people have had a really good night here. He's so happy that we found this road, because now he thinks he's right and that it is all tacky stuff. I'm sure there's lovely parts of Benidorm that we've not discovered yet. See, that looks like a nice bar. The railway, that is lovely. But it is very similar to Bangor Road in Phuket. It's quite, yeah, the sun's gone in, so it is a bit cooler. Yeah. It probably looks more so like it during the night time as well. There's something for everyone in Benidorm. Let us know if this is your kind of thing, or let us know if it's not your kind of thing. We're going to have to come down here at night now just to see the difference, so we can show you the difference, I guess. There's lots of ATMs and they all charge you a fortune for getting cash out, which is a bit naughty really. There's Mark with Mr. Bean behind him. We actually had someone in Borneo that said that you look like Mr. Bean. Right. He's just got this smirk on his face now. I hate it when he's got that smirk on his face.
It's because, and I can't say, can I?
What, Mark? Don't be a snob. Lots of people are having a good time.
I don't feel like I'm in Spain.
No, well,
is that being a snob?
No, not the Spain that we've seen, and I think that we've been really lucky in that we've sampled a really wonderful part of Spain in how quiet the coves that we've been to, the roads that we've driven on,
yeah.
the park ups in the middle of nowhere. That's our Spain, and it was a Spain that we weren't expecting to see. I think we were both expecting this.
We were or weren't?
I think we were.
I didn't expect to see Mr. Bean.
I think we should have a picture with you, Mr. Bean.
No.
Yeah, we've got M&M, not the real one. We've not found Sticky Vicky's place yet. Oh, we've got a Sticky Star. It's a live and magical night. You wouldn't want a Sticky Star.
Is that a Sticky Vicky's place?
I don't know, it's a Sticky Star. If people aren't familiar with Sticky Vicky, drop us a comment and we'll, I was going to say we'll fill you in, but we'll let you know what Sticky Vicky is about. Oh, okay, we might have found it. I think it's Sticky Vicky's daughter now. I think because it says the legacy continues.
Sticky Vicky exclusive.
Sticky Vicky exclusive. Pink Benidorm. And I don't know who Tony Scott is, but I'm sure he's very famous. There we go. The legendary Sticky Vicky.
The legendary Sticky Vicky in Benidorm.
Right, so Rockefeller's is obviously the Sticky Vicky place. We didn't know that, but now we do. Every day's a school day. Yeah. It must look so different at night time, with everything all lit up and open even. And I'm not, oh dear, we've got a sticky sexy magic show here.
Robbie smells curry.
That's because it's a curry kebab-ish pizza jazz. I mean, what's kebab-ish? Oh, I think that's enough for one day, isn't it?
Yes, we'll see this at night time.
And it's all changed. So you've got, and I actually think it's not even late yet, so bear in mind that we're old codgers and that it's not late. But we wanted to show you what it was like when it's all lit up. So we're going to run the gauntlet. Bruno Mars is at midnight, Pink's at 9, and Sticky Vicky's at 1:30 a.m. Well,
I'm coming down for that.
he's lying. He can come down, but I know he won't. So this is Benidorm at night. It's quite loud. It's quite busy now. Well, it's not busy yet, but I'm sure. Because it's still early, it's not even 7 o'clock yet. But people are now topping up their lunchtime beverages that lasted all afternoon as well. So, not that I'm judging, because I'm not. Lots of t-shirts that I think are really awful, but yeah, so that gives you a little taste of nighttime Benidorm. So we've enjoyed Benidorm. Mark doesn't think he would ever return. I'm never saying never. But I can imagine what it would be like in another 3 or 4 hours. Yeah, it's not my cup of tea. But it's interesting to see.
Okay.
It goes on for quite a little while now. But I think you get the gist of what it's like. The language is getting quite ripe now as well. Oh God, we sound so old. So I think we're going to go home, have a cup of cocoa, and have an early night. Got the two sides of Benidorm. And we found the church. So it's not actually far out of the new town, old town. These look like these look like newer hotels. Admiral Bernard de Sarria founded Benidorm and granted the town charter on the 8th of May 1325. This is really peaceful and serene, especially with the music playing. At the moment it's just really quiet. There, that's it. Oh, I'm very tempted. Before the wind ruins it, I've just had my hair cut. Peace. We're now venturing down a little alley in Old Town and it's quiet. Britain or Ireland, we've got there is actually a world famous pie and pint here, $6.50. A pint of our local beer, Alhambra.